Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and compatibility. Plug the certified Kai pad into the venue outlet and test power indicator. Once done, position the pad on a stable, flat surface within easy reach. Make sure to remove metal objects and thick cases from your device because they block charging. You should check the device's receiver alignment and ready LED. If pairing multiple pads, space them to prevent interference. This initial setup prevents common contact and power issues before you place any device on the pad. You now align and secure devices for reliable charging. Place the device so its wireless coil lines up with the charger's center. Small misalignment drops current significantly. Once aligned, secure the pad with a non-slip mat or adhesive feet so people won't accidentally shift it. If the charger supports multiple devices, configure power sharing or boost mode on the unit to prioritize fast charging. Make sure to label expected charging spots so users can place phones correctly, and monitor LED signals to finish by verifying every device charges reliably. Watch for the steady LED and device charging icon within 10 to 20 seconds. Once confirmed, log usage times and reset the charger between heavy sessions to reduce thermal throttling. Make sure to communicate basic etiquette to users: minimal movement and one device per marked spot unless supported. If a device fails to charge, first realign and remove the case. If that fails, swap the USB cable or outlet. These quick checks resolve most issues on site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.